Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to the channel. Do you know that you can use guarded access to limit your device to a single app? Sometimes family and friends do request our phones to make a call or browse and end up going through photos, messages, and emails without our notice. Come closer. Let me take you through to set the boundaries.
In Settings, tap Accessibility, scroll down and tap Guarded Access. Tap the switch to turn on Guarded Access, okay? And tap Password Settings and set Guarded Access password and re-enter passcode to confirm, okay? Exit and open Call app or any app, okay, to activate the Guarded Access by pressing power button 3 times to activate your guarded access. Okay, so when you do this, the person will be able to enter anywhere. You won't be able to move out of this window. All right, so you can't go anywhere apart from here. This is how you have to protect your privacy by handing your phone to somebody that you don't trust. Okay, always do this. It's not only call app, you can do it in any app. Just open any app and do the same thing. And you can also end the season by guarding access. You can do the same procedure by tapping the power button 3 times to end the season. Okay, that is after the person is done with whatever the person wants to use your phone for, and you do the same procedure to end the season and with these super nifty features. Thank you.
Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hit the like button if you like this video and share, but don't forget to press the notification button for more alerts.